Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the aligned moss stitch. And if you crochet this in a long strip, you could use it for a bag handle, or you could work squares and use them for coasters. Or you could use this stitch to crochet bags and purses. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. To work this interesting stitch, I'm going to start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in any number. To work the foundation chain, just pick up the yarn with the hook and pull it through the stitch. So work a foundation chain in any number. Okay, I've got my foundation chain ready. So I'm going to make a half double crochet in the second stitch from the hook. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. In the next stitch, I'm going to make a slip stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Slip stitch in the next. You're going to keep working that way all the way across the row. Half double and a slip stitch. Half double and a slip. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, worked all the way across the row. There's my last stitch. This was a slip stitch. I'm going to end the row with a half double crochet. Now I'm going to turn my work. And that was a half double crochet, so I'm going to make a slip stitch in that stitch. And this was a slip stitch, so I'm going to make a half double crochet. And the next one will be a slip stitch and a half double crochet. Slip stitch, half double crochet. Slip stitch, half double crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked across the row. That was a half double. My last stitch is going to be a slip stitch. So that was a slip stitch, so I'm going to make a half double crochet in that first stitch. And I'm going to slip stitch in the next. Half double and a slip stitch. Half double and a slip. And you're going to continue across the row. Okay, worked all the way across the row. I ended my row with a half double crochet. So turn the work. So in that first stitch, I'm going to make a slip stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to continue across the row. Okay, I've just worked a few rows here. And if you just wanted to work this many rows, this would be great as a purse handle, as it has a nice texture on both sides. So that would make a great purse handle. Or you could work squares and use them for coasters. Or you could use this stitch to crochet bags and purses.